Hello students, welcome to this lecture on nouns. In this particular class, we will be discussing the different categories of classification of nouns. Nouns can be classified into 5 broad categories. First one is proper noun, second is common noun, third is collective noun, fourth is material noun, and fifth is abstract noun. We will discuss all these 5 categories in brief with examples so that we can understand them better. Let's start our discussion. First one is proper noun. The definition is: proper nouns refer to a particular person, animal, place, or thing. They always begin with a capital letter. Now let's see these examples. Riya is the name of a person. That's why it's a proper noun. India is the name of a place. That's why it's a proper noun. Similarly, India Gate and Taj Mahal are also names of places. That's why they are proper nouns. Other examples can be tiger, lion, United Kingdom, America, etc. The next one is common noun. The definition of common noun is: a common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Now let's see these examples. Man, hat, house, soldiers, mountains. So now, instead of referring to a particular boy named Rishi, if you just want to refer to a person, you will not use his name, but instead you will say that is the man. Now we'll go through certain examples on the usage of common and proper nouns in sentences. First one. The painter paints the house. Rishi paints the house. Now over here in the first sentence, painter is a common noun, whereas Rishi is the name of a person. That's why it's a proper noun. Second, the tailor is stitching a dress. Vijay is stitching a dress. So over here, tailor is a common noun because it is generally talking about the person who stitches dresses, whereas Vijay is a proper noun because we are referring to a particular person who is stitching a dress. Reena is a teacher. So now in this sentence, common noun and proper noun both are used together. Reena is the name of the teacher. That's why it's a proper noun. And teacher is a common noun because it generally talks about those persons who teach children or teach students. Bonville is my favorite chocolate. Over here, chocolate again is a common noun, whereas Bonville is talking about a specific brand of chocolates. That's why it's a proper noun. Taj Mahal is a famous monument. So monument over here is a common noun, whereas Taj Mahal is the name of the monument. That's why it's a proper noun. Now, here are a few more examples of proper and common noun. The words that have been highlighted in purple are proper nouns, whereas the words highlighted in green are common nouns. Now let's read these examples. First, Ahmedabad is a peaceful city. Ahmedabad over here is the name of the place, that's why it's a proper noun, whereas city is a common term, that's why it's a common noun. Second, Trisha is an intelligent girl. Trisha is the name of a girl, that's why it's a proper noun, whereas girl is a common word, that's why it's a common noun. Third, the dogs are chasing the cats. Now, since in this sentence we are not referring to a particular dog or a particular cat, but we are referring to them in general, that's why these are both common nouns. Fourth, I have a brother named Arun and a sister named Reena. Now, Arun and Reena are names of persons, that's why they are proper nouns, whereas brother and sister are common nouns. Fifth, Red Fort is made of stone. Red Fort is the name of a place, that's why it's a proper noun, whereas stone is a common noun. Mango is my favorite fruit. Mango is the name of a specific fruit that I am talking about, whereas fruit is a general term, that's why it's a common noun. Seventh, Anand is a doctor. Now, Anand is a specific person I am talking about, that's why it's a proper noun, whereas doctor is a common noun. 8. Sarojini Naidu was a great poet. Now, Sarojini Naidu is the name of a particular person I am referring to, whereas poet is a common term, that's why it's a common noun. 9. Sachin is a good cricketer. Now, Sachin is the name of a particular person, that's why it's a proper noun, whereas cricketer is general in nature, that's why it's a common noun. 10. Amitabh is a talented actor. Amitabh again is the name of a specific person, that's why it's a proper noun, whereas actor is a general term, that's why it's a common noun. Students, this is it for this particular lecture. Do practice worksheets on proper and common nouns so that you can test your knowledge, and we will continue the different remaining categories of nouns in the next lecture. Bye.